least in heaven I can skate.
Alright, so I did 2 new tricks. Surprisingly, I've never really done them before. A manual shove it. A couple were sketchy, I guess kind of clean, but it's my first time learning it, as well as the manual 180. I just gotta keep practicing them and I'll get them down even better. Oh, it's getting late. I don't know if I want to keep skating, but I'm getting tired too. And I just landed a nose manual, shove manual. So let's go. I landed 3 new tricks. Feel great. I can clean up that shove it later. But yeah, so far it's pretty good. You all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.